It's finally time to upgrade. This is what your stock taillights look like, and these are the new LED taillights from Morimoto for your 2016 to 2021 Toyota Tacoma. Morimoto is known worldwide for making the highest quality headlights, fog lights, and tail lights for your truck. And if you already have the Morimoto XB headlights and fog lights, you can complete the look front to back with the new taillights that come in either the red lens look or the clear lens blackout look. I love the way they designed these because they didn't try and reinvent the wheel and make some big, strange, aggressive looking design. If you look at the stock taillight, it has some bars that go down. What Morimoto did is they took that stock look that's obviously great looking on your truck and they made it better. They accentuated it by pulling them out into these bars that go from the middle down. And you can really see it on the blackout version. Now the cool thing is, these are fully LED. There's no incandescent or halogen bulbs at all. The three big bars that run throughout the entire taillight are your parking light and your brake light. And then on the side, you have an integrated LED side marker light. But one of the coolest things is this humongous reverse light. If you look at the stock taillight, almost 30% of it is a reverse light, and it uses that old incandescent, dingy yellow, not bright at all reverse light bulb. Well, Morimoto took a different approach, and in my opinion, this looks like a headlight. If you look at modern LED reflector headlights, that's what they look like. These things throw out an incredible amount of light and actually allow you to see better in reverse. And one of the coolest functions of these new taillights, and probably your favorite part, is the sequential turn signal feature. You can run these taillights in two ways, either standard on and off blinking that looks like this, or you can select a sequential function that looks like this. Talk about attention getting and totally putting a modern spin on your truck. Installation couldn't be easier. It's literally the same amount of work as swapping out your stock taillights for another set of stock taillights. Let me show you. First, on the side of the taillights, you have the exact same mounting points as your original tails. Start by dropping the tailgate and pulling the two screws out that hold the light in place. Then gently pull it away from the truck, releasing the clips on the outside edges. On the back side of your stock taillight, you have 1, 2, 3 connectors. Unplug the wiring from all three. Then take those same stock wire harness connectors and plug them into your new Morimoto taillight. These 3 connectors that come off harnesses on your Morimoto LED taillights are the exact same as the 3 connectors on the back of your stock taillights. Wherever these ones came unplugged, plug them in over here. The only difference is this last harness. You can see there's 3 wires coming out and they all connect to each other. You can switch between the sequential turn signal or the standard on-off blinking turn signal by connecting this to the other connector on this 3-wire harness. Line up the 2 metal mounting studs on the back side of the taillight with the holes on your truck and gently push them in until they pop in place. Line up the brackets on the side of the tailgate, put your screws back in place, and gently tighten until it's secure. I don't know about you, but I'm super excited that there's finally a decent LED taillight out there for the Tacoma. I'm not impressed by anything that's come out, and this OEM Plus style is just perfect. They look super cool, they're built really well, very easy to install, and the reverse light, park light, and brake light is way brighter than anything else that's out there. These taillights will transform the look of your truck and improve your nighttime driving safety, style, and performance. Here at Headlight Revolution, we love the Toyota Tacoma. Some of our employees have them. We've got them in the studio almost every week for projects and filming, and we have tons of products that fit them. Headlights, taillights, interior lights, off-road lights, everything you can imagine. So go to headlightrevolution.com, put in your year, make, and model, and you're gonna see all the upgrades you can do to your Tacoma.